Assalamualaikum. I welcome all of you to my next video. So I'm going to discuss about Saarc, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. This topic is very important, and they may ask you a few questions from this topic, like give a critique of performance of Saarc since its inception. It was the part of your paper in 2002. Association of Southeast Asian Association (ASEAN) is a success story of regional organization. What lessons Saarc can learn from the experience of ASEAN? 2007. Not Afghanistan is Saarc. 2008. Give recommendation to make Saarc an effective organization at regional level, keeping in view success of European Union. 2011. Poverty and trade in South Asia and the role of Saarc 2022. So stay connected for more informative videos, and I have provided my contact number right here. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.